Okay, I was really curious, like how long it will take to actually render a 7-minute video on this machine. So let's just start. I just I just loving it. It's like 7 minutes of video. Oh, let's turn it. So this is like 7 minutes of the video, and it is just so cool, that this is rendering so fast. Really amazing. These AMD Ryzen processors, in this area are really excelling, I believe. That's crazy. I'm on the I'm on like a balanced level set on this Legion, because it's like Legion, like you see here. And the CPU usage, the temperature right now is like 74 degrees Celsius. Oh, 82. Yeah, so 77. Our fans are starting spinning right now. Yeah, feel the power of the of the fans. Sorry, so cool. 83. Yeah, 83. Yeah, the maximum is 83 degrees. Yeah. This is only like 7 minutes video, and we will see how long it will take to actually render it. So cool. It's amazing how powerful, powerful. It's like amazing how powerful laptops in these days are. 6 seconds, and we are done. Okay, that's cool. That's so cool. But 85 degrees, quite hot, but still below 90s. So still good results. Here. Okay, so I need to just do this again, But this time I'm unplugged, so this time of rendering should be way longer. But that's can be actually interesting how long it will take. On the battery, the results can be much worse. But when the laptop is plugged, the results are amazing. So, like I was thinking, on the battery, a little bit disappointing, like 9 minutes. It's showing remaining time 9 minutes. Let's see how the processor look like. Reset it. Okay. So it's rendering is 38 Celsius here. Nothing like extreme here. So it's like turtle speed right now. So definitely you will need your charger with you all the time if you are using this device. If you're rendering or doing some demanding tasks, the charger, which is like freaking weapon that you can kill somebody, it's like your best friend here. Then it's strange that like the CPU is like 38 degrees only, like it's probably is not getting enough watts to actually produce this power that it was like before. So rendering like forever. Yeah, on the battery, renders are really long. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, you know what I actually don't like in this laptop? You need to hear the fans. Like they have like this whiny sound. It's not like it's super loud or something, but they are whiny. The sound is so like somebody's whistling, and the frequency here is higher on this side, on this fan, and here is lower, and they are resonating, and this is actually torturing me, you know, sometimes when I'm doing some like tasks. Okay, so just listen the sound, you know. I will try to show you how it sounds like. I don't know, do you hear it? Wait a second. I don't know, you know, if you hear it, because it's sometimes it's hard to actually catch it, but it's like high pitched noise that is really annoying, to be honest, unfortunately. So it's still rendering on battery. Four minutes left. CPU is like really cool, 36 only degrees, so really not bad. It's like it's not using its potential on battery at all. Okay, so it looked like it rendered it, and it took like a whooping 10 minutes and 10 seconds. So actually the footage that was 6 or 7 minutes long, yeah, 7 minutes long, 6 minutes long. For footage that was 6 minutes long on the battery, it took like 10 minutes. So a little bit disappointing here, to be honest, with that.